Do you find yourself using the same oil in your kitchen all the time? I'm Dr. Kellyanne, and here's today's food for thought. Every oil has different health benefits that work together to improve health, which is why it's important to diversify them. Here's a quick overview of my 3 favorites. And remember, I say don't fear fats. Your body actually needs healthy fats to burn fat. I eat about a tablespoon of each of these fats every day to help me stay slim. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is full of MCTs, which are medium-chain triglycerides. I want you to think of these like the nutritional version of high-octane gas. You can cook or bake with it, just know it does bring on a strong coconut flavor to your food. Avocado oil. Now, avocado oil increases your absorption of antioxidants, and it's also found to boost your body's natural collagen production. And that's important because we start to lose collagen as early as age 20. And my final favorite oil is Macadamia Nut Oil. It's another high heat index oil, so you can really turn that heat up. It's loaded with vitamin E, which promotes hair and skin health. It's also high in monounsaturated fat. That's great because that supports heart health by lowering your bad cholesterol. I love this because it has such a nice buttery flavor. And that's today's food for thought.